Someone said in our Facebook group, I'm reading all this on TRT. I'm investigating maybe to do it, maybe not to do it, but I'm getting really afraid because everyone here in our group on the YouTube channel is always talking about problems with TRT. I can't sleep on TRT. I get anxiety, hair loss, prostate, all those things. I'm really getting afraid and I think I won't do it. So how to be positive about starting TRT?
Okay, so here's the thing you have to consider.
This is the TRT and Hormone Optimization YouTube channel. And if you want to learn all about the science-based information on this topic, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and you'll be on your way.
Of the 5,000, 6,000 members we have in the group, they represent less than 0.1% of people on TRT in just the United States. Probably less than 1/100th of 1%. Why? Because these guys are the ones that come in and analyze and research everything to death. They are a specific breed of individual. Most guys just go to the doctor, get their injection, and they don't even know what the word TRT means. They just know, I got testosterone. So you're taking a tiny pool of people and you're assuming that they make up the masses. Secondly, negativity will always outshine positivity. When you turn on the news, you hear about the old lady that got hit by a bus crossing the street. You hear about the woman that was raped. You hear about the dog that was shot by police. And you'll get a 5-minute segment at the end about someone who donated to charity to help kids. Why? Because negativity sells. This is what people put out there. This is just human nature. So if you're going to go on Google and look at your favorite restaurant, you're going to find those 1-star reviews of the guy that couldn't get a reservation on a Saturday night at 8:30 because they only had an 8:45, and this is the worst restaurant on the planet. You're not going to find the 35 people who had dinner that same night who went, enjoyed their meal, paid their bill, went home, and never went online to make a post about it. This is no different. The guys that get on TRT will seldomly go and seek out a group so they can tell you just how great it is. But the guys who have a problem are going to make a lot of noise. So take it with a grain of salt. This is not indicative of your general population and their results. This is a condensed group of people who come in, and again, not to say anything negative about people who post in the group. Obviously, we're there for a reason. However, people are always going to come and be vocal about any negative attributes that they experience, partly seeking for help and partly just because it's just easy to vent and they want someone to hear them out, and maybe they'll help someone in the process. Maybe they'll feel better about it, whatever the case may be. Positivity rarely gets discussed unless you had concerns, went on, got a positive result, and came back to report about it. So again, be very cautious in just thinking that everyone has a negative experience. If that was the case, we wouldn't be doing these videos and we wouldn't be on TRT ourselves. Most people find symptom resolution, they feel great, and they're very happy. They just don't take the time to go and tell you about it.
Okay, well, Gil, let's end with this positive message to the viewers. Thanks.
Pleasure.
And now, do this next. Click on one of these thumbnails to learn a ton more about TRT and hormone optimization.